How to set a Google Form response limit. This tutorial shows you how to restrict how many submissions your form can receive. First, open the Google Forms app on your device, either PC or phone. Open the form you want to set a response limit for. From there, tap on the Publish option at the top right of the screen. At this point, tap on Accepting Responses option and select Set Close Date or Response Limit. After that, look for the After the Number of Limit option, which restricts each respondent to submitting based on their Google account. In the next step, toggle this on if you only want to allow submission per person. From there, keep in mind that turning this on also requires respondents to sign in with a Google account before they can fill out the form. Once done, go back to your form to set an overall response limit for the entire form instead, since Google Forms does not include a built-in total cap directly within settings. Following this, to manually close the form after reaching your desired number of responses, go to the Responses tab on the main form screen. From here, monitor your response count regularly, and once you hit your target number, tap on the Accepting Responses toggle to turn it off. At this stage, this will immediately stop the form from accepting any further submissions once your chosen limit is reached. Finally, go back to your form and confirm your response settings are configured the way you intended. And that's it. If this guide helped you set a Google Form response limit, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.